Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, if you didn't read the title already, it's a haul and I've gathered these clothing items and some makeup as well and perfume for the past, I say 2 to 3 months. And one of them is kind of an unboxing, and I've been wanting one of them for, let's say, since last year of I would say summer of last year, and I finally pulled the trigger because I said it's been on my wish list for about a year now, and I might as well have just gotten it. So I'm so excited to share all the stuff that I've been getting ready for the summer, not just for the summer season, but for my upcoming trips in the fall. I'm very, 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 very excited. So let's get into it. So the first items that I got, what is a summer without buying? Denim shorts. So these are currently on sale in Aritzia. They're Agolde Stella shorts. I got it in black, and I also got it in a light wash. I don't know the names, but I'll try to link it down below. It's on sale currently in Aritzia. I'll highly recommend these. They're 100% cotton. They're very, very soft. Very excited to wear these for the summer. And then I got the 90s crop mid-rise loose straight 90s jeans from Goldie as well, but I got this one from Anthropology. Got it in a size 27, and I just love the distressing detail. It's not like overly done, and then the hem is also, oh my god, is also distressed, and it's a crop fit, so it's a full length on me. So very excited to try her. If you haven't noticed, I wear a lot of dark denim, like black and dark blue. So I'm excited to wear something light wash. But yeah, a Goldie jeans. They're a little pricey. Try to get them when they're on sale. Highly recommend them. They're very comfortable, 100% cotton, so they will be a test of time. Another pair of shorts, if you haven't seen my essentials or favorites items for the spring and summer, it would be the Pace Breaker shorts from Lululemon. These shorts are in the men's department, but I wear these. They're the linerless one, the 5-inch length, and I got this new color. I think this is my fourth pair of Pace Breaker shorts. I just love these for the summer or like going to the beach and just like running errands. They're very lightweight, very comfortable, and yeah, I love this color. Another item I got from Lululemon is these cargos that they have in this lovely dark chocolate brown. I've been wanting these cargos and they finally went on sale. I believe they're like $79, $99. And plus, if you're a healthcare worker, you get an extra 15%. And yeah, I've been wanting these. I love them. I can't wait to get them hemmed. They're a little too long on me, so I'm gonna get these hemmed. But yeah, they have a stretchy waistband. They're like the perfect travel go-to pants, I guess you can say. And I was gonna get black or their creamy white one, and then I opted for the dark brown because something different, you know? Last pair of bottoms that I got is from Madewell, and um they're the Harlow. I have I have the these Harlows already. I have the linen version as well, the classic Harlow linen version, and now they came out with a denim version. And I love the Harlow jeans from Madewell. They're like a wide leg trouser pants. And when they came out with the denim version, I just had to have it. And I love this light wash. It's very lightweight. It's not 100% cotton. I think it has mixed up lyocell in it. And I had to get these hemmed as well because they're too long on me. But I just thought these pair of sandals or sneakers would be such a great fit for the summer. It could also be in the fall as well or spring. This color is very spring and summer. So, yeah, I'm excited for this one as well. I only got one thing from Dissh, and it's this vest, this tank top vest. It's like has this knit detailing, 100% cotton. It has these tortoiseshell buttons. As you can see, I did size up. I went for a large. I'm usually a small or medium, but I wanted something not fitted, especially in the summer. I don't like fitted clothes in the summer. So I opted for a large, which exactly is what I wanted because it is a boxy fit, but it tapers down at the hem, and I didn't want it to be fitted. I wanted it to still be like loose if I wear like shorts or pants. So, yeah, I thought it was such a nice, lovely neutral color. That's why I didn't get the ecru version of the vest that I already have. I got the gray because I wanted this one and I was waiting for it to go back in stock. So, yeah. I don't know what it is lately, but I've been loving vests and like tank top style vests. And this one I've actually had my eye on for since the winter season of last year, and I didn't even know about this brand until about a year and a half ago. It's called American Vintage, and I got they call it a cardigan. It's a vest, and the name is East. I believe it's the cardigan East, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, the name right there, if it focuses. Will it focus? Nope, it's not gonna focus, but it's the East cardigan from American Vintage. I love the detail that the brand is just right there. It's obviously too hot for the summer, but for the early spring and fall, it's such a lovely color. I'm not very much into wearing color, so I mean, I'm wearing red right now, but this really drew my eye on the color and I really wanted it, and I waited and waited and waited for this to come back in stock. I wanted it in a large, but just because I wanted to be able to layer something underneath and it be oversized, and it only comes in small, medium, and large, so I got the large. I got one thing from Massimo Dutti. If you didn't know, Massimo Dutti is a brand within Zara. It's more of their high end, I guess you can say. It's just a tank, linen brown tank. I just love. Oh, the sun is hitting it perfectly. It shows like the true color of the brown. I've been into wearing brown lately, and I thought it would such be a great neutral other than black. So, brown. So, I've been wanting one of Reformation's cashmere tees. The one that I wanted is called Paco, but that's an old style, so they came out with a new version this year, and I don't know. Oh, it's called Tess. Tess cashmere short sleeve. And it has this ribbing texture on it, or knitted texture, which is so lovely, and it's cashmere. It's 100% cashmere, and it's short sleeves. So if you know anything about cashmere, it is very, very warm, but also very thin and lightweight. And oh my god, that's why I love cashmere. You really do have to take care of cashmere though, because it is a natural fiber. So it's very prone to pilling, which I expect for any wools. Um, but yeah, I thought this would be such a great fall item, like layered underneath a jacket, because sometimes long sleeves is just too hot. And if you want to take off your jacket, but you still want to be warm indoors, you have a t-shirt that's cashmere. So, yeah. The last clothing item that I have is from a brand called Something to Hold. And I got this tank in white. It has this like frill at the end of it. I thought it was stretchy, but it's not. But it has this detail on the top. It's not that see-through for a white, which is what I like. And I thought it'd be so cute with like jeans layered layered underneath a cardigan. So yeah, I'm very excited for that top as well. And I think that's it for clothing items. I also have one belt and some makeup stuff. So let's get into that one. So I said in the beginning of this video, the intro, that I've always wanted this one thing for about a year now, and it is a Celine belt. And yeah, I got a Celine belt, and it's the Triomphe one with the logo. And as you can see, um, I'm so excited for her. I finally pulled the trigger. I was unsure which size to get. I think that's what was pushing me back on on getting it last year. But I finally pulled the trigger this year, and I got the small one. It comes in like medium, small, and teen. And then I think in men's it comes in a large, which I have a lot of 1 inch belts, and I thought I don't need another 1 inch belt. And then the teen is an inch, like half an inch. And this one is in the middle. It's 0.7 inches. And the logo is smaller. As you can see, the logo is smaller. I still have the sticker on because I just got it in the mail. Um, but I'm so excited. I did get the chestnut color, as you can see. It was either this one or black, but I decided to go with this one because one, I have 3 black belts already. I don't need another. So I was like, let's be different and get this brown one. I've been wearing a lot of brown, and the brown is like more reddish kind of tone, and you can see that in the lighting. It's a shiny leather material. I did get mine in I sized up. I'm usually a size 80 or 75 in a belt. I got a size 85 in this because I wanted to be able to layer it and everything. I love this belt so much. I've been wanting it for over a year, and I promised my best friend I wouldn't do impulse buying, which I didn't because I waited for a year. I told him I'm gonna wait because it's such an expensive belt, and I'm mad I didn't get it last year because the price increased. But I was like, it was a good decision on my part because it wasn't an impulse buy. So yeah, and I was gonna wait until I went to Europe to get it, but I was like, it's sold out everywhere in Europe, so I think they're phasing out this color. Which, if they came out with a cooler tone brown, I'm gonna be so upset. But I do love this one. It's not a common color you see people get on the Celine belt. They either get the black or the orangey brown. So I'm kind of glad I got this one. But yeah, I did get a Celine belt. I got one new perfume for the summer, and it is from Le Labo. Not number, it's the scent Another 13, and it smells so good. My best friend has this scent, and he introduced me to Glossier U because he got it first, and I smelled it on him, and I loved it. And then I smelled Another 13. Didn't even know he was wearing this one. For the longest time, I thought he was wearing Suntal 33. No, it was Another 13. And then he told me that Costco sells this. So I went immediately on Costco and bought it online, and it was so fast. I got it in 2 days. So I love this scent. It's gonna be it smells so good. It's gonna be my go-to summer scent with the Glossier U. And I'm very picky with perfumes, specifically scents, because I'm very sensitive to scents. So for me to like this is very out of the ordinary because the smell is not very sweet or florally, it's very musky. And yeah, I'm so excited. Le Labo. Very, very expensive. But if you want to invest in good scents, highly recommend them. They do sell samples. They're very tiny. They're like $7. And just to test them out or go to a store, you know? But yeah, highly recommend that scent. So the last items that I got is like makeup stuff, and they're very, very simple. First one I got is the Benefit Benny tint in the original tint they have, and I just wanted to try her. It's just an easy tint. It could be for the lips or the cheeks, but most likely I'm using this for the lips. I also got the Summer Fridays lip butter balm in iced coffee. I'm not going to open her yet just because I still have some of my brown sugar. I want to use that up before I open this one. And I was so excited they're going to keep this in their like collection because I love anything iced coffee scented, and I hope it smells good because I bought it already. And then last one I got is a Nudestix blush tint in SPF 30. And I chose this one because it has SPF in it. And if you know me, I don't wear foundation. I do wear sunscreen as my base. And then I thought if I'm gonna use a blush, might as well use something with SPF on it. And I got the color Sunkissed because it'd be such a perfect summer color. But yeah, so that is it for the haul, and I'm very excited for the summer season and for the upcoming trips that I'm gonna have, and I can't wait to share that with you guys. I will be doing a separate video of me styling the items I just shared, just because I do have to get those pants hemmed because they're too long on me. So that's not cute for a styling video. But yeah, if you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.